Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Canon G7X and the Google Pixel 4 XL in terms of their video capabilities. I don't have any mics or anything like that, so it's just literally going to be a comparison. So today my partner and I are actually going to go out to a couple of restaurants just to try out their food. So I think it's going to be a really good way to really showcase the differences of what camera can do what, and help you decide which camera is best for your vlogging style. Alright, so we have parked the car and I think it's that place over there. We'll find out once we get there. Okay, so here's our coffee. So I ordered a soy cappuccino. I really like the design they have over there. And then my partner has got a soy flat white. He was commenting on how he really likes how they do their coffee art.
And to say it, but now I don't.
We've got food here, so this is the French toast. That is so cool looking. Oh, so pretty. And then we've got some chips to share, and then I got the pork bao. So we're now in the car, so we're on our way to the next venue. So just talking about Black Work Croydon, it was so good. I love the vibe, I love the food. So again, I had the pork bao. It was very juicy, which was very surprising. I thought it was going to be dry, but all the flavors just started to mix in my mouth and it was so good. And then the chips were really nice as well. My partner was very impressed with their French toast. He was like describing all the flavors and how they would mix in together, and how it was surprising. Like, I tried it as well. It was a bit surprising, like all these flavors worked really well with each other. So yeah, thank you so much to the team at Black Work Croydon, I keep saying the name wrong, Black Work Croydon, for inviting us over because the food was amazing. So now we're at the parking lot at Westfield in Knox. We're going to check out this place called Tea Royale. I actually went here, well not here, to one of their branches a few weeks ago in Northland, and today we're going to try out their proper dessert bar place. Yeah, you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. Okay, switching back to the Google Pixel 4 XL. So we're actually a bit early for the next one, so we might just chill and look at the shops here. We did see an EB game, so we'll go check that out. I'm really excited because I really enjoyed their bubble teas, so I can't wait to try out their proper desserts. So I'm back home. I've had a shower. I've actually worked out, then had a shower. But now I'm going to give you guys a little bit of my thoughts and opinions on the G7X versus the Google Pixel 4 XL. And obviously I do color correct my footage a little bit. Like, I put a filter. I use Wondershare Filmora 9. Yeah, I just use one of the filters on there, but you get the general gist of what the cameras can do in terms of dimensions and everything. Okay, so which one do I prefer to vlog on? Now this is if I had like the optimal settings and everything. I would honestly prefer my G7X just because, I don't know, it's like, it's a proper camera. I just feel like it's a proper vlogging experience. I don't know, I'm a bit old school that way. I also like the fact that there's also an ND filter, which just helps with the glare and stuff. And I don't know, I just feel like there's a little bit more field of view, whereas if I film like a vlogging style with the Google Pixel 4 XL, it is a little bit cropped in on my face, and normally I don't really mind that, but sometimes, you know, you just want to get that shot where you can really show the background like this. Like this isn't zoomed in or anything, you know, you can see a lot of it, but that's just I guess the price you pay for having like a little compact camera. That being said, I have vlogged with the Google Pixel 4 XL. It's my daily driver. I don't even really know what that means. I know it's a tech thing that a lot of like tech vloggers use, but yeah, it's like it's my everyday phone. I use it all the time, and sometimes I do get invited to events, and sometimes either I forget my camera or I can't be bothered to grab my camera in the bag, because it is, you know, even though it is quite compact, there is, you know, just the ease of just taking your phone out and then clicking on the camera app and then shoot. Sometimes I will mishmash clips from both cameras to get the vlog completed, like pretty much like what I did today. So it just really depends on the situation, what I'm filming and what I have ready, essentially. I don't think there's anything wrong with using a camera phone to vlog. I don't think there's anything wrong with using a proper camera to vlog as well. I did start my vlogging experience, when I say vlogging I mean like outside, with a camera phone. Like that was like my real first attempt at vlogging, and I pretty much still do the same, you know, except now I'm just using a Google Pixel to film my content. So really the whole aim of like me showing you the differences between the two cameras is just so that you, as a person, as a consumer that's considering vlogging or considering buying one of these cameras to vlog or take footage of something, you get a general idea of what it can do. I have mentioned that in a couple of my vlogs before, when I was like talking about using my Google Pixel 4 XL, and then people would say like, you know, it's really good quality. So, you know, it just really depends on your personal preferences and what is convenient for you. I mean, obviously if you already have the Google Pixel, like, you might as well just use that. I just have different cameras for different things because I like to be extra. But yeah, that's pretty much my 2 cents on which one is good for you. That's pretty much it for me. If you guys would like to see more content from me, head over to my Instagram at MrKenDenis, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!